Welcome to Sketch Zone 1. Monthly video, July 2024. Excavation and transportation. Area 8A Subzone 5. $20,000 tons have been mixed for transportation to the landfill areas. 15,000 metric tons of contaminated soil has been excavated. Mixing work is in progress. Area 8D, Subzone 4. Additional screener has been installed in this location for screening the contaminated soils before transporting them to the treatment areas for further processing. 100,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. 60,000 tons of contaminated soil have been transported to the treatment area. Area 8B Subzone 2. UXO works are in progress. 100,000 square meters have been UXO cleared. 20,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. 130,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Cumulative till date, 2,350,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Transportation. 116,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Cumulative till date, 2,270,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. 55,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Cumulative till date, 1,970,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Bioremediation. During this month, the following activities and outcomes were observed in the bioremediation process. Tilling, irrigation, inoculum addition, and surfactant addition were performed on a total of 45 batches, covering approximately 405,000 tons of soil. A total of 37 soil samples were taken. This consists of 9 baseline samples, 14 IPT samples, and 14 monitoring and verification samples. For this month, 126,000 tons have achieved the RTC through bioremediation. Overall, 1,725,000 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through bioremediation. Soil washing plant. For soil washing operations this month, the following activities and metrics were recorded. 2 baseline samples were collected. 2 treatment verification samples were collected. This month, 3 batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. The soil washing plant operated for a total of 381 hours, averaging 56 tons per hour and 16 hours per day. RTC achievements. For this month, 15,000 tons have achieved the RTC through soil washing. Overall, 22,000 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through soil washing. Landfill. Construction of concrete access stairs is ongoing. Installation of crash barriers is ongoing. Construction of diesel generators and fire extinguisher foundations is in progress. Concrete work for the open channel is in progress. Excavation work for South Kuwait pits is in progress. Installation of the electrical earthing system is in progress. A field density test has been conducted at 0.5 meters above the protective layer, and the results have been satisfactory. The deep test has been conducted from layer thickness 0.00 meter to 0.25 meter, while the upper test has been conducted from layer thickness 0.25 meter to 0.50 meter. Landfill infilling process. 102,012 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by Lamor with total of 2,239 trips. 95,359 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by HISCO with total of 1,902 trips. A total of 197,371 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with total of 4,141 trips.